Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and before we proceed, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Then let's scroll all the way down and go to System, and here we've got this backup section, so just tap. Now your device will immediately transfer you to this Google section, so just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on Next. So in this section we need to enter our password, so simply do it and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So now you can decide what kind of data you'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both, it's completely up to you. I'll pick only one. So other device data, and tap on Confirm. So here we've got our backup section. Here you can tap on backup details and you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it you've got backup details, backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. So to finish everything we need to go back and simply tap on backup now, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.